Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you tuned in once again. It makes me so happy. Yeah, my subscribers are growing and I'm so grateful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share. And also comment if you have any question or you would like to tell me anything. Yeah, another thing I would like to tell is thank you so much for the people who have been already subscribed and are watching me once again. Yeah, I'm so happy we are together in this journey. Well, today I'm cooking some vegetarian meal, and actually I don't even know if there is a name for this, but I didn't want to cook any meat in my food today. That's why I don't know the name. I'm just cooking and mixing everything up. Yeah, some people might say it's the Kikuyu in me, but yeah, maybe. Let's see how it goes. I'll show you my ingredients. We'll start with the ingredients, and yeah, at least you have a clue of what we are cooking. We have onion, bell pepper, and 2 cloves of garlic, and tomatoes, and coriander, and a little bit of cabbage. I also have some pre-boiled peas and carrots. Yeah, we'll be preparing all this together. We also have some pre-cut potatoes. So we will begin with chopping the onion. Yeah. And put them aside. Next we'll chop the tomato. Yeah. You talk about food. Then transfer them into your own container. We begin by putting some oil in the pot. Add our onions and let them fry until golden brown. We also get to prepare our bell peppers. And put them aside. Next is cut our carrots into cubes. done. That looks a little bit too big. Transfer them. Put aside. To check on your onions so that they don't burn. This is how they look like for now. And now we can add, when they're pinkish, we can add the garlic. Now it's time to add our garlic. And stir them, and then just wait for them to brown. Add our tomatoes. So a bit brown. Give it a good stir. Give it a good stir. And now it's time to add the spices. These are the spices that we will put. Black pepper, turmeric, and some garam masala. But don't put a lot of garam masala. Add garam masala, turmeric, black pepper, and some salt to taste. Then you give it a good stir. And let it to cook. Time to chop the cabbage. As the tomatoes are getting ready, time to add our potatoes. They are ready here because it's kind of cooked. So give it a good stir. So that they don't stick to the pan. And if it looks like this and the tomatoes are well cooked, like mine, very cooked, now we can add some little water. Good stir. Chop your dhania, or I think people call them parsley, yeah, into very fine pieces, I guess. 1 cup of rice. I need 2 for my sandwich. 1, 2, because I didn't label the last one. I think I'll add another half because I think they're very hungry. Time to wash our rice. For 2.5 cups, I will put 5 cups of water. Then after the water is boiled, you add the peas. And remember, our peas are pre-boiled. You can also add your bell peppers and the carrots. And leave them to cook for a while. There is enough, so there is some water for cooking. And make sure they will not burn, so let's turn them. I love the colors right now. They're looking so good. Time to stir your it's time to check on your potatoes if they are almost cooked. Yeah, make sure you have enough liquid because we still have one more ingredient to cook. Oh, you just press it a little bit. Oh, it's almost cooked. Check on your salt, and then oh my god, then add your cabbage as the salt is fine. Oh my god. Oops. Then let it boil on a little bit of low heat. For the cooking of the rice, we need to boil have the water is ready, and then our fire is on, and then we will put some salt, a few cloves, some cumin seeds, and this is optional, or this is just how I make my rice. This is with turmeric rice, with turmeric powder, sorry. Then turn your all ingredients together like that. Yeah, you see the liquid has disappeared a little bit. That's why I told you it's good to make sure there is some water. Yeah, sure it's ready to serve, but one more ingredient is remaining. Told you already before in my previous video. You need to add dhania. Note, I did not cook our cabbage for long, only making sure the heat, or it's like a bit of steaming, and then that's it. This is the end results. Once the water is boiled, it's now time to put your rice. and just let it boil. Once your rice is having bubbles on top and there is still water near on top of it, you can cover it and then reduce your heat to the least heat you can get. Now it's time to check on the rice. Just put in the fork and it's dry, it's ready. Time to taste our food. It's delicious. Some potato. Wonderful. Yummy, yummy. Got some cucumbers too.